Hey folks, I'd like to show you my new fire truck again on the look at this. I want to just show you guys the detail. This is a 1990 Metro fire department truck. Just look at the detail that these folks, how they made this back then. Just look at the workmanship. I'd like to show you, look at this. The cord remote. I mean, I'm sure you guys remember this. You guys are, look at this. You'll really appreciate this. I want to show you guys the, right here, 1990 New Bright. I want to just carefully, like to show you the workmanship right here. Look at the workmanship. Look at, look at the controls. Look at the, look at this. I haven't seen anything really like this. Look at the axe. Look at the inside, the steering wheel. Look at this. You guys will appreciate this. I was excited to video and show you guys this. I'm just gonna have to grab my the double C batteries, and we'll have to fire this bad baby up. I just want to give you guys a good look at this. Look at the workmanship. I'm gonna give you this side view. Look at the give you one on this side here. Look at this. Look at this. I want to give you a shot of this right here. Look at this. I mean, that's a beauty. It truly is.